This is the Poopsie Slime. Yeah, you can.
So cute. Where is the slime? Where is the slime? We can see it.
On the down.
Slime is right here. Now you can take it.
Let's get
Hi, Sri and What are you doing today?
We are doing the Poopsie Slime.
Slime. Okay, are you ready to open it up?
I can open it.
Okay, you can. Let's unroll it. Yeah, there's something more stuff. Oopsie. Oopsie poopsie.
And it has a unicorn magic special effect powder, surprise scent, the golden spoon, bottle with lid, keychain container, measuring cup, unicorn sparkle, glitter, ultra rare packs only. Okay, measuring cup may be inside of the bottle.
Guys, this kind of bottle. This is a cutie pie. Okay, so this is the process to make the unicorn poop. We will try to make it up. I don't know how it turns. Let's see. It says first you have to open this up. See this bottle and then fill the measuring cup to the fill line, and then yeah, they have all kind of process here. We will try it and then we will be back. Okay, Sriza and Ruby, now what we are doing right now?
Yeah.
Do you know what we are doing?
Waiting.
Waiting. That's true, guys. See, we already did the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Oh, now it says we are in right now on the number 4. It says tightly close the lid on the bottle and hold the lid and rapidly shake. We already shake it and then let the mixer sit for 10 minutes to allow the slime to harden. So we are waiting for the Poopsie Slime for harden. And we are so excited to see the slime, right guys? You can store your slime in this cute little Poopsie. Look at that, so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Unicorn keychain, right?
Yeah.
We will be back. Waiting. Yeah guys, now we are ready for this slime. It's over 10 minutes now. The next oh my god, look at that.
Listen.
Look at that.
I touch it.
Yeah, you touch it now.
It looks like a donut.
Yeah, now next process says put it in your palm. And kids, you have to do this for your parents, cause I think you might eat them or do something.
I
so.
love it.
Oh, baby. Now the next process said just put it in here. Just do like this, and then put the
I need it.
unicorn magic on the middle like this. See? Put it all over here. Oh, this is so cute, guys. I don't know if you can see it.
Okay.
Now let me fix it. Oh my god, it looks so cute. And I'm gonna fix this for kids, guys. Guys, see? But just make sure this powder has to blend inside this slime. Very satisfying slime. Oh my god, this looks so cute. This is the Poopsie Slime. Yeah, you can. I think now this is ready to play. I'm gonna give this to them, half and half for them. Now let's see how they're gonna play it. Yeah, Ruby.
It's sticky.
Sticky, yeah. See? Look at my hand, guys. It looks so cute to me. Glittery pinky.
My little pink.
Unicorn slime. Yeah guys, this is a keychain and I already opened this up and you can see. Oh my god, it can go all in there. Now where is the thing? Where is the lid for? See? This is so amazing thing I have ever seen. So cute. Where is the slime? Where is the slime? We can see it.
On the down.
Slime is right here.
I need it.
Now you can take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, it's a poopsie now.
See.
See, it's a poopsie slime.
Can you do it again?
Yeah, you can.
Can you give it to me?
Okay. Now Ruby is playing. Yeah. This is our poopsie slime, guys. Yeah, they are enjoying it, guys. This is the only thing I want. So we hope you can enjoy with the RS kids, Riza and Ruby. Thank you so much for watching us. If you do like it, just support us and subscribe and give a thumbs up and just say whatever you think. Thank you for supporting us. We always love you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.